Hi everyone, this is me Haris Mahmood and you're watching Mashriqi channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can download Bandicam. Means it's a Bandicam software. By means of this software, you can record your screen. So today I'm gonna show you how you can download your screen, whether you're using laptop or any computer. So first of all, go to Google and go to File Hippo. It's the biggest website of software. You can download free software. So the first link is filehippo.com. Click on it. Now simply write down here Bandicam. I personally use this software. My all YouTube videos are recorded by this software. So it can take few seconds because my internet is slow. If you have fast internet, so you can easily get it. So here drag it down by scroll bar, so you can see there Bandicam advanced screen recording software. Just click on downloading option. So here you will find download latest version, so click on it. So at the top you will find here downloading option, just click again. So as you can see, your file has been started downloading. So two files are downloading, so let me cancel one of them. It's 21 MB file, so it will download immediately. So I have found here Bandicam, it has been downloaded, and just go to show in folder, and here you will find an icon of Bandicam software. I have already downloaded this software, and still my screen is being recorded by this software. As you can see here, just click on it and it will start downloading. So click on it and it will start installation. So it's a very simple procedure. I hope you understood. So if you like this video, so kindly like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so you will find more update of my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.